Okay, we're in the garage, and this is the electric service panel, and this video and in this inspection is limited by the client's request strictly to a problem that they were having with a previous inspection report. And actually it's the conditions of the sale at this point. So another home inspector has inspected this, and another home inspector had noted that there was copper wires inside this panel on the sub panel, and that's what the inspector said. And he had some language and some cautionary language that was baked into the report, and that's the concern. That's why I'm here, is about the aluminum wiring that used to be there. I inspected this house about 10 years ago. I don't remember this house, but on my report, my client then and my client today, okay, furnished me, at least that much of the report, where I did note that these two cabinets were bonded with aluminum. See, this is a copper house. All this is copper. All this is copper. All this is copper. I mean, the house is like 1990. We wouldn't have ever found aluminum in here, except braided aluminum in certain instances, which is acceptable. So it is acceptable to have a braided aluminum connection that bonds these two panels together. However, my client has exceeded the floor, the minimum. My client has improved the situation, and we now have, before where we had aluminum here, this is copper, the same white wire, it's coming right through here, coming right up there, copper to copper. So this was always a copper house. This is always wired copper, L1 and L2, everything's coming in. This was never anything but copper. The only thing that was aluminum here, which does not affect code, does not affect insurance, does not affect the Consumer Protection Agency. Nobody's concerned about the aluminum that used to be here, but now it's gone. So there's nothing wrong with doing it better. This has been improved. It has been done better. So as far as anybody's concerned, your insurance company, as far as your insurance company is concerned, this is an all copper house. Always was. Okay. As far as the lender's concerned, this is an all copper house. Always was. But today, it's 100%, 150% copper.